In today's video, we will be doing a garden tour. So let's get to it. Here we have my greenhouse. This is the first of the tour, of the part of the tour. So I got a cactus right here, another cactus. This cactus right here, you can cook and eat. And like Mexican food and all that. Aloe vera, another one of those cactuses. 2 tomato plants, wait no, 3 tomato plants. Some spiny aloe vera, more aloe vera, Thai basil, and Cuban basil, pineapple, banana trees, and basil. Let's go to the other part of the garden. So right outside of the greenhouse, we have all kinds of other stuff. So right here we got a type of mint, aloe vera, another one of those cactus, and this might be a potato plant. I'm not sure, but this might be a potato plant. And this is a persimmon tree, another persimmon tree, a plum tree, blackberry bush, olive tree, a blueberry bush, loquat, blackberry, mint, more mint, and Cuban guava that you can't find anywhere in the country. And over here we got blueberry bushes. These are all blueberry bushes. All those in this straight line. So let's go to the other part of the garden. Here's a persimmon tree that's active, and we put some mulch around it and stuff. And then over here is my old lemon tree, but like it died in one of the colds. So we may have to replace it with a different tree because it's growing up from the grass and stuff. So it may not make lemons, or at least not good ones. So then over here, this is my best fruit tree so far. This is my fig tree. And if you look closely, there's some figs on it. Here's a fig right here. But they're probably not going to ripen because it's getting cold at times and stuff. And then over here, we got other stuff. We've got a white squash right here. I think we got some broccoli right here. Yeah, I think this is broccoli. Some lettuce, some spinach, some bell peppers and jalapenos and all that. I did a recent big harvest off of it, so there's not much on it. And then my lettuces and stuff, and head lettuce, and some kale, more peppers. These are Thai hot peppers and Tabascos. And then right here are my eggplant. And then over here we got my tomatoes. These are all tomatoes. And then we got some, this is cabbage, which are growing very nicely. And then if we come around the tomatoes again, we got more cabbage. And the weeds are starting to pick up again, so I'm gonna have to weed it soon. And then if we come over here by the eggplants again, we'll come over here. We got some strawberry plants right here. And then what's left of my melon plant. And then some more lettuce over here that came up from last year. Right here, there's a little baby watermelon right here. And then right here, got a little bit of strawberry plant, but the weeds have taken over. I can't get those weeds out real well. And then over here, we got asparagus growing. These are asparagus ferns, but they actually make asparagus. And then over here, this is an avocado tree. And we'll get to the old garden in just a sec. I'll be right back with you. This is the old garden, and we don't have anything growing in here right now, really. But we put mulch over it to keep the dirt all set and moist and all of that, and fertilize it. And we got a little bit of asparagus right here. And if you look right here, this is a fig tree, little fig tree. And then this is where I get my mulch from. I got it from like a internet company or a power company or something that was putting the power lines and they were trimming trees into mulch. So I got that from them. And then over here is sawdust. So I use that for making dirt and stuff. So that's the garden tour. Thank you for watching. Bye. That's it for the garden tour for now. This is kind of weird, but we're gonna be going pick some tomatoes, and it's November the 19th right now. So it's an odd time for tomatoes, but I got a few ready. So let's go do this. Hi, today we're gonna be picking tomatoes. This is gonna be a very short video. So let's pick some tomatoes. These are tomatoes. Okay, so I washed the tomatoes after I picked them, and I found a few peppers, and so I picked them and washed them too, and I found a couple of eggplants and picked them and washed them too. So this is the stuff we got. So, that's the stuff we picked today, and thank you for watching my video, and make sure you subscribe and like the bell and like the video. Thank you for watching. Bye!